You definitely don't want to miss this video because I'm going to reveal 6 secret steps to making real money with Amazon affiliates, even if you're just starting out. The best part is, it's easier than you think and super straightforward. So let's get started with step 1. First, let's talk about the strategy. You might be wondering, how do people actually make money from Pinterest? Well, it's all about promoting Amazon products as an affiliate. Here's how it works. People share Amazon products on Pinterest. For example, there's this user who posted a video of a mini washing machine. That video is just a month old and already has over 4,000 engagements. That means they got a lot of views. Now, when you click the link in the post, it takes you straight to Amazon to see the product. If someone buys the mini washer through that link, the Pinterest user gets a commission. They probably made good money from that one video. But here's the thing. They made one big mistake. They shared the Amazon affiliate link directly, which could get them banned real quick. But don't worry, I've got a secret method that'll help you avoid that mistake, and you don't even need to create the videos yourself. Sound good, right? Alright, let's move on to the next step. Next, let's find trending products that genuinely excite people and solve their problems. We need fresh finds that people actually need, whether you're selling on Pinterest or being a TikTok affiliate. If you just search Amazon finds, you'll get a bunch of tired, saturated products. Everyone's already promoting them, making it hard to get sales. Instead, we need a secret method to discover the latest trending products early. I've found a fantastic website called Shoplus that helps with just that. What makes Shoplus so amazing? It shows you real-time analytics of the hottest products blowing up on TikTok. Not just the same old stuff everyone's seen a million times. Let me show you how to use it. First, click the link in the description and sign up for Shoplus. Once you're in, click on Top Sales to discover what's currently trending. For example, if we sort it by the day, you'll see a gut cleanse supplement ranked #1. The graph shows it's really taking off. This product helps people detox naturally and improve digestion, and everyone's loving natural health products. And guess what? In just 1 week, this product sold over 70,000 units, making over $500,000. Over the past 30 days, it earned over $2 million, with only 1,227 videos promoting it. The potential here is incredible. Next, check out the relevant videos section. Here, you can see the ranked influencers who are actively promoting this product, along with details of their views, sales, and earnings. This helps us understand what kind of content really works. But here's the best part. When you click on a video, you get all the details, including conversion rates. You can even download the videos and see the exact scripts they use. It's like having a template for your own videos. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's move to the relevant live section. Here, you'll see the top-ranked influencers who are actively selling on TikTok live streams. You can see how many products they sold and the revenue they generated. Okay, so we've got the latest trending product, so let's find the best TikTok video featuring it. Just keep in mind, the trending product changes all the time, so to stay updated and access all these useful features, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. I upgraded it for myself, and I can assure you it's totally worth it. Trust me, if you're serious about making money as an affiliate, this is the way to go. And here's the best part. They offer a free 3-day trial, so you can try it out risk-free. Plus, here's a little bonus. I've also got a discount code for you in the description, so you can save some money. Okay, let's grab the top-ranked product title from Shoplus. The product we're looking at is called 15-Day Cleanse, Gut and Colon Support. Once you have the title, head over to TikTok. Paste it in the search and hit search. You'll find lots of people selling this product as TikTok affiliates. By the way, you can sell it the same way. Just order the product, test it, make a video review, post it, and add the product to your shop. Then, when people buy from your shop, you earn a commission as an affiliate. For now, I'll show you using the Pinterest method. Just head over and find a video you like. You'll notice that many video thumbnails use clickbait titles, like "Do not take the product." This strategy is used to grab viewers' attention and get them to watch. For example, check out this guy's video. He shows the real deal of the product and advises people not to buy fake ones. That's the main idea behind his video. Another example is this video titled Dangerous Effects of 15 Days Cleanse. It's the same strategy to attract viewers. Let me show you a small part of the video. This video highlights the benefits of the product and the positive effects on your body. They use the title to grab attention, and as you can see, people in the comments section want to buy the product. These types of comments help us consider promoting the product. Also, it's an attractive video that convinces people to make a purchase. So just copy the link and go to tickmate.online to download the video without the TikTok watermark. After downloading the video, we can move on to the next step. Alright, the next step is to find the product on Amazon and get your affiliate link and some product images. Here's how you can do it. Simply go to amazon.com and paste the product name. In this case, 15-day cleanse, gut and colon support. Hit the search button to find the product. Once you find the product, look for the number of people who have purchased it and the number of ratings it has received. If you see that the product has been purchased by over 10,000 people and has received over 2,000 ratings, it indicates that it's a popular and well-received product. To get your affiliate link, you'll need to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account. I have a video tutorial that explains how to do this. You can find the video link in the description. After setting up your account, click on the text icon to access your affiliate link. Copy the link and paste it into a Word document for later use. Next, I will show you a creative trick later. But what I need from you now is to take a high-quality screenshot of this product image. Here's how you can do it. Go to Windows and search for Snipping Tool. This tool will help us take a screenshot. Open the Snipping tool and click on the camera icon to take a screenshot. On Amazon, screenshot in a box style of the product image, the rating, the price, and everything up to the Add to Cart section. After capturing the screenshot, click Save to save it. Alright, make sure your screenshot is of high quality. I'll explain the reason for this later. So, that's what we need for now. Let's move on to the next step. Alright, in this step, I'll show you how to create a professional, free online store that converts well and lets you add Amazon products. So, let's get started. First things first, if you're still watching this video without liking and subscribing, it's time to hit those buttons, because I'm about to show you a game-changing method that really works for me. Alright, let's dive in. First, head over to Google and search for Google Sites. Click on the first search result and select Blank Sites. This website is free to use and not many people know about it like I'm showing you. Rename this in capital letters to your shop's name. For example, mine is Nexus Finds. After you've entered your shop name, make sure it's bold. Now, click on the name to adjust the spacing. Click on the three dots, then select the spacing icon. Next, select Custom Spacing and set the space from 0.8 to 0.5 and then click Apply. Next, click on Insert and then Text Box to create a text box. Here, write a catchy slogan for your shop. Don't worry, I've included 30 free slogans for you to use. You can find them in the description. Choose one, copy it and paste it here. Then, drag and drop it under your shop name and set the alignment to center. Next, select the text, change the color to white and set the spacing to 0.5, just like I showed you before. Now, it looks great. Remember, less is more. For the best results, avoid adding different images or too much content. Now, here's the best part. Go to the screenshot image you've taken, drag and drop your screenshot image into the designated area, making sure the size is just right, not too large or too small. It should look as professional as Amazon. After adding the screenshot image, we need a button for purchases. Click on Button and name it Buy Now in the name field. In the link area, paste your Amazon affiliate link and then click Insert. Then simply drag the button and release it under the image. Alright, now click on Themes and select the option to change the color of the button. Choose a color similar to the Amazon orange-yellowish button by putting this color code FFD100. It will automatically change to a yellowish hue. It looks great, right? If you remember, I mentioned the importance of taking high-quality screenshots. Using high-quality images is crucial because low-quality ones can make your site look like a scam and push visitors away. So always use high-quality images to keep your site looking professional and trustworthy. Alright, I have a question for you. Which of these shopping pictures do you think people would buy? The green one or the blue one? Share your answer in the comments below and I'll reveal my answer later. Remember, don't read my answer before sharing yours. Okay, Now we need to add a footer to our website. Having a footer is really important because it makes our website look more professional. First, click on the option to add a footer. Once you've done that, write an affiliate disclosure statement, just like this example. You can pause the video and write exactly like this. After the affiliate disclosure, add the copyright notice with your shop name, like this: 2024 Nexus Finds, all rights reserved. You can then customize it to make it look more attractive and professional. Alright, now let me show you something. If you'd like to add a different product, simply copy the current product and paste it on the right side. Then, click on the image and select the 3 dots to replace the image. You can add as many products as you like, but be sure to organize them well. Also, remember to change the affiliate link of the call to action button to direct users to the replaced product on Amazon. Let's say you add different products like this to your store. Now, let me show you how it looks on different devices. This is what it looks like on a computer. Looks great, doesn't it? When people click the button, it will take them directly to the Amazon website, and if they make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It also looks beautiful and converts well on phones. Since most Pinterest users access this website with their phones, it's important for it to be appealing like this. In this step, we'll make sure to upload the product video correctly on Pinterest and discuss the best times to upload for more visibility using SEO strategies. To get started, head over to Pinterest.com and go to your Pinterest profile. If you don't already have a Pinterest business account, I've got a video that walks you through creating one. You can find the link in my description. Once you've got your business Pinterest profile set up, click on the Pinterest icon and select Create Pin. A new window will open. Here, upload the video that you downloaded from TikTok. Now, I know you might be thinking, can I get in trouble for using someone else's TikTok video? Well, the good news is you can repurpose someone else's TikTok video on Pinterest as a video pin. But it's super important to respect copyright laws and give credit to the original creator. I've personally done this several times and it's worked well for me, so I'll show you how to give credit to the original creator later on. Now, let's talk about the title. In the title section, make sure to include the main keyword related to the product you're promoting. For example, if the product is 15-day cleanse gut and colon support, try not to use the exact product name since most people may not search for it directly. Instead, come up with a title that highlights the product's benefits and the content of the TikTok video. So, we could go with a title like Transform Your Body with This Detox Cleanse, What to Expect. This title is SEO optimized because it naturally includes the primary keyword detox cleanse. It's descriptive, short, and includes phrases that can really grab people's attention. Alright, one important step here is to click on Edit Cover and select a new cover picture. It's crucial to choose a video section that instantly grabs the viewer's attention. The cover picture acts as the first impression of your video, so make sure it's engaging and highlights the best part of your content. Next up is the description part. We need to let people know what the video is all about. You can write something like, discover the detox cleanse for gut and colon support, flush out toxins, flatten your stomach, and relieve bloating. Or, if you prefer, you can use ChatGPT to create a description. After writing the description, add a call to action like, click the link to get the original detox cleanse now. This encourages people to click the link and purchase the product. To credit the owner of the video, simply include a note in the pin description like, original video by Wellness Steals on TikTok. This simple mention acknowledges the original creator and respects their work. Now, to rank our video, add at least 3 hashtag keywords under the call to action. For example, #detox, #detox-cleanse, #gut-health. By the way, if you're not familiar with Pinterest SEO to rank your videos, or if you're having trouble getting views, I can teach you in detail about Pinterest SEO with a comprehensive A to Z guide. If you're interested, I've included a link in my description for you to sign up. Once the guide is completed, I'll send it to your email. Alright, next, we'll need to add our shop website link. To do this, go back to your shopping site and click on Publish. In the web address field, enter your shop name, and once you're done, click Publish. Once the website is live, click on the View button. Copy the link and go back to Pinterest to paste it in the link area. Alright, now, in the board section, we need to write a board name related to our pin. For example, Healthy Living Tips. This helps keep our pins organized, like a playlist. Finally, we need to add tags to our pin. These tag keywords help people find our content in search results and get suggested. Carefully choose keywords that match your pin and think of words that people might search for. You should write at least 6 keywords in the tag section. Here's a crucial strategy. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, it's important not to publish your Pinterest pin right away. Instead, scheduling it for when people are most active on Pinterest is key to ensuring your videos receive maximum exposure. In the description, I've included the optimal posting times and even added some free guides for you. Since today is Wednesday, I've decided to schedule the pin for Thursday. The prime posting times on Thursday are 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 8 p.m., and 11 p.m. I'll select 2 p.m. as the scheduled time, and once it's set, I'll click Schedule and then confirm it by clicking Schedule again. So here's what you can do. Download 2 more videos and get them ready just like this. Then upload and schedule them for the same day but at different times following the schedule I mentioned. And now, here are the scheduled videos. I want to share something important with you. The key to success on Pinterest is simple. Be consistent. Post at least 3 video pins a day with similar products, and the next day, post another 3 videos with different products. Stick to this routine for a month and you'll start seeing great results. Also, remember not to expect instant views. It takes time to gain traction. This method is easy and won't take up much time, but it can lead to big rewards. I believe in your ability to do this, so go ahead and claim it by writing, "I can do this," in the comment field. Alright? If you want to earn money as an affiliate, I have detailed videos with valuable information like this one. Check out my playlist for more free resources. I don't sell courses, I'm here to give you the tools you need to succeed.